Silent cleaning that actually works? In today's tech-driven world, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most brilliant. The best VEVOR Carpet Sweeper is about to change how you think about floor cleaning without a single wire or battery in sight. Mention link in description for current pricing and availability. Manual sweeper beats. Let me show you why the VEVOR Carpet Sweeper with 7.87-inch sweeping paths has become my top recommendation for tech enthusiasts who appreciate smart, simple design. This manual floor sweeper operates without electricity or batteries, and here's the thing about non-electric cleaning tools. They're often more reliable than their powered counterparts. Actually, when you move this back and forth, it effortlessly sweeps up dirt into its built-in dustpan without disturbing anyone around you. I do appreciate how quiet operation makes it perfect for shared workspaces and home offices where noise matters. Magnetic cleaning technology. Keep in mind, this isn't just another push sweeper. It features a roller brush that acts like a magnet, efficiently picking up garbage and dust. And the four-wheel design? It moves freely both forward and backward, making cleaning surprisingly smooth. If you've used traditional sweepers before, you know how they can get stuck or require multiple passes. Actually, this VEVOR model glides across surfaces with minimal resistance, picking up everything from pet hair to crumbs in one sweep. Smart storage and maintenance. Here's what impressed me most: the garbage disposal system. Simply pull up the clasp and everything you've swept up falls out cleanly. You don't have to touch any debris, which is a huge advantage over traditional dustpans. And it comes with a small cleaning comb to remove hair caught in the brush. Because let's be honest, maintenance is where most manual sweepers fail, but VEVOR thought this through. Maneuverability. The 180-degree rotating head deserves special attention. This floor sweeper reaches under coffee tables, sofas, and beds without requiring you to move furniture or bend awkwardly. The extended handle eliminates back strain completely, measuring at the optimal height for most users between 5'4" and 6'2". Actually, I tested this in my home office setup with cables and equipment everywhere, and it navigated around obstacles better than expected. If you work from home, you'll understand how important this flexibility becomes. The lightweight design, just under 3 pounds, means you can maneuver it with one hand while moving items with the other. I found this especially useful when cleaning around computer setups where you need to lift cables or adjust equipment positioning. Surface versatility analysis. Now let's talk real-world performance. This lightweight sweeper works on hardwood, laminate floors, tiles, carpets, and rugs. But here's my honest critique. While it excels on hard surfaces and low-pile carpets, it struggles slightly with thick, high-pile rugs where debris can hide deeper than the brush can reach. You know what though? For most tech setups in modern homes, this versatility covers 90% of your cleaning needs. It handles dust from electronics, cable management areas, and workspace debris exceptionally well. On carpeted areas, it's most effective on commercial-grade low-pile carpets commonly found in offices. For home carpets, it works best as a daily maintenance tool rather than a deep cleaning solution. The brush design prevents carpet fibers from getting damaged while still providing effective debris removal. Features you may be looking for: 7.87-inch sweeping path, 300-milliliter dustbin capacity, non-electric operation, four-wheel mobility system, 180-degree rotating head. Final verdict. After extensive testing, this VEVOR Carpet Sweeper delivers exactly what it promises. The robust construction using metal and high-quality plastic ensures longevity, while the thoughtful design details show genuine engineering consideration. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.